Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, November 13th, exactly 2 weeks before Thanksgiving. Yay! Market will be closed on Thanksgiving and be a half day on Friday, the day after. So get ready for that. So what do we got going on news-wise from forexfactory.com? You can see that we have a ton of items, but only a few of them are US and all of them are yellow, which means low impact. So first, we had at 8 a.m., we have FOMC member Daly speaking. Mortgage delinquencies is sometime after 8 a.m. Haven't seen that number yet. 10:30, we have FOMC member Kashkari speaking. 12 noon, crude oil inventories. 12:15, FOMC member Muslim speaks. 12:20, FOMC member Hammock speaks. Yeah, and then at 1:01, we have the 30-year bond auction. So much stuff that nobody cares about. Tentatively, we have the federal budget balance. All government numbers are still delayed as the government is now back up and running, but we'll take a few days to actually, get going, really going. And so I don't expect to see anything this week. Maybe next week we'll start seeing some of the delayed numbers start to come out. Yeah, so there you have it. Not much going on today. However, looking at the daily chart, we are gapping down. And what's interesting, we just took out yesterday's low. So this is very ominous pre-market. We'll have to wait and see what happens when the market actually opens. But taking out the previous low in pre-market is not bullish. It's bearish. We're still above the moving averages, so we're still technically in a bull run here. Bullish, short-term bullish. However, this looks like a lower high. Anytime I see a lower high, that is not a good thing. So lower high, potentially, can't tell because today is not finished. We could come back up and have a higher high and keep moving to the upside. But if we end up identifying after today's day as a lower low, that again is not a good sign for the economy. Where could we go? The low volume node here is just right at where we are right now, 68.48. If we can get some steam to the bottom, we might have some resistance at the 20-day, but really the only support is right there at 68.11 is a low volume node right there. That's probably what we're going to test today. Volume, you can see by the moving average line, which is the gold line above the blue, that the last 3 days have been below or at average volume. Particularly interesting. Moving on, look at that inventory. Inventory was positive on positive price action. That's normal. That's what it should be. Here, I just put a horizontal line at yesterday's low showing that we have already breached yesterday's low. Yeah, so looking at the overnight action, so quite a range, 43 points from high to low. That is twice average. Average is 22-ish. So there you have it. We have above average volatility. Where do we have intraday support and resistance? So resistance on the top side, you see there is a lot, 3 different lines right around 6,900, 6,910, 6,920-ish. If we get above that, there's some confluence right around 6,925. On the bottom side, support. There is some support right here where we're at around the 68.50 area. We break below that, 68.40, 68.27. Some confluence around 68.12. Of course, 6,800 will be kind of a mental line in the sand. We break 6,800. It's look out below. We'll have to just wait and see. Stock Traders Almanac for today is positive for 57.1, 57.1% chance the market will be up today based on historical averages from the Stock Traders Almanac. So there you have it. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.